ये तो ऑफिशियल है कि 90s hair accessory scrunchie is trendier than ever before. But did you know that you can do so much more with the scrunchie than just using it to hold the hair back? Hi guys, मैं हूँ स्मृति और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 5 cute and trendy ways to style a scrunchie. Go ahead and gather all your scrunchies because I'm pretty sure that you would want to try these styles out along with me. पर उससे पहले हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी टैप करें ताकि आप हमेशा नोटिफाइड रहो with all our latest videos. The first hairstyle is a low messy bun. If a low messy bun is your go-to hairstyle, take it a notch higher by adding a scrunchie to the look. Start by removing some face framing tendrils, then brush the rest of the hair back into a low bun. अगर आपके बालों की लेंथ छोटी है तो secure the low bun with a few bobby pins. फिर scrunchie को bun पे wrap कर ले. Now you can either wear a jumbo scrunchie or a printed scrunchie if you're wearing a plain outfit or vice versa to balance it out. And if you're feeling experimental, add 2 contrasting colored scrunchies to your bun. I like to spritz some hairspray so that my bun and scrunchie stays put for long. This is the hairspray that I'll be using, the Tresemme Compressed Micro Mist Invisible Hold Hairspray. It's humidity resistant, fast drying and controls frizz for up to 24 hours. The second hairstyle is a bubble ponytail. Now if you want a hairstyle that revolves around scrunchies, then look no further because a bubble ponytail is all you've got to try. तो अगर आपके बाल लंबे हैं, then this is a great way to use your scrunchie collection as this hairstyle is going to put more than one scrunchie to use. Start by making a low ponytail at the back and secure it with a scrunchie. And after every 3 inches, add a different color scrunchie. Tug and pull the sections between the scrunchies to create a puff. The third hairstyle is a half-up ponytail. It's a perfect hairstyle to keep a large part of your hair open yet tied back. This in fact is my go-to hairstyle on days when my crown area has gotten greasy. Let loose a few face framing tendrils and then grab the top half section of your hair and secure it with a pretty scrunchie. I'm using this scarf scrunchie and I totally love how it spruces up my hairstyle. And that's it, you're done. The fourth hairstyle is a chic braid. We all love braided hairstyles. But this one that I'm about to show you is a great way of adding a fun twist to your typical ponytail. इस hairstyle को create करने के लिए tie your hair up in a high ponytail. First, secure it with an elastic hair tie and then wrap your favorite big size scrunchie over it. Then either you can create a 3-strand braid or even a fishtail braid till you reach the end and then secure it with a regular hair tie. Looks great, right? This is the perfect combination of chic meets quirky. The fifth hairstyle is space buns. When it comes to updo hairstyles, space buns are a standout look. This hairstyle is super playful and laid back that you can rock at any fun event over the weekend. Take a middle parting, tie one section into a small top bun with a regular hair tie. And repeat the same on the other side. Then add a scrunchie over it and you're done. So guys, I hope these 5 cute and trendy ways to style a scrunchie will help you put your scrunchies to work. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. Ring the bell icon for further notifications and I'll catch you in the next one.